Mark my words, in just a matter of days this could explode. We're talking about something that's been under the radar. But not for long, it's already showing early signs. And the last time this happened, people made insane returns. This will skyrocket soon. So, yeah, stay till the end. We've seen patterns like this before, back in 2017 with Bitcoin, in 2020 with Tesla, and more recently with Nvidia. Now there's something new brewing and honestly very few are paying attention. But you know, data doesn't lie. And what we're seeing in the charts, in the sentiment, and behind the scenes, it's unreal. The name? Insert actual thing here, for example, a stock like Palantir, a token like SOL, or a trend like AI-powered search. It's currently undervalued, massively accumulated, and quietly moving upward. Smart money's getting in. The volume is picking up. And here's the kicker. Major announcements are expected within days. Retail investors are still asleep, but when this breaks a key resistance level, it'll be everywhere. We're in a market where attention is currency. And the moment the spotlight hits this, it won't just rise, it'll skyrocket. We're talking FOMO-level gains, but only for those who saw it early. So what do you do now? Research, set your alerts, watch the volume. And if you're serious about being early, subscribe, because I'll be tracking this every single step of the way.